Arthur Hayes, founder of BitMEX, says we might be watching the end of U.S. Treasuries as the world's go-to asset and the comeback of gold and Bitcoin. He thinks if Trump cuts the U.S. debt and deficit, other countries will dump their U.S. stocks and bonds to fund themselves. Translation: global finance might be flipping the script, and Uncle Sam's IOUs won't cut it anymore. Hayes says gold will be back in fashion because it's neutral, tariff-free, and shiny. Bitcoin, too. He calls it the new liquidity smoke alarm, now that it might finally be breaking up with the Nasdaq. Bottom line? Hayes says it's time to stop dreaming about the old days and start stacking gold, BTC, and maybe a few gold mining stocks, just in case the 1970s want their economy back. Macro investor Luke Gromen says Bitcoin might finally stop following the Nasdaq like a little brother, and it's all thanks to U.S. policy. In a recent interview, he pointed to Trump's America First investment policy memo, which basically tells foreign investors, especially China, thanks, but no thanks. Gromen thinks this shift will push money out of U.S. stocks and into assets like Bitcoin and gold. Why Bitcoin? Because it doesn't care about borders, tariffs, or who's in office. It's neutral, global, and way less political than Wall Street. Gromen says this could finally break the link between Bitcoin and Nasdaq, something traders have been watching for years. Gold's already feeling the love, and Bitcoin might be next. Robert Kiyosaki, the rich dad poor dad guy, says the crash he warned us about, yeah, it's here. He claims we're not just in a recession, but possibly sliding into a full-blown depression. His advice? Forget Wall Street. He's all in on gold, silver, and, of course, Bitcoin. Why? Because when the market crashes, the Fed hits the money printer like it's a slot machine. More dollars, less value. And when the dollar sinks, real assets like gold, silver, and BTC look like lifeboats. His bottom line: the prices of stuff aren't going up. Your dollar is just worth less. So if your wallet feels lighter lately, it's not just you. Imagine getting robbed, losing your phone and your bank saying, yeah, that's your problem. That's what happened to Brandon Wilson in Chicago. After getting jumped on Labor Day and forced to unlock his phone, thieves drained over $4,000 from his Bank of America account using Zelle. At first, Buffa gave the money back. Brandon thought it was over. Spoiler, it wasn't. A week later, the bank sent him a letter basically saying, looks like you approved this. Brandon's been with them since he was 14. He filed another fraud claim and again, denied. Now, after media attention, Bank of America might take another look. Moral of the story? Lock your phone, trust no one, especially not your bank.